You were going to be peeing yourself.
What do you think, Lillian?
Is that yummy?
Say, I'm eating and learning how to hold my arms out. Oh.
Yum, yum.
There's prunes in there. Those are going to be good for your...
Super, super.
They're going to help you out.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wide open. Is this the best Christmas present ever? This is better than formula. Open up.
Look at her.
You are such a big girl. Trying to help.
You're going to be the smartest baby ever. Wow.
Look at her with that hand.
Yeah, last night.
She's getting the hang of it. Look at that.
What's the face?
Double it in.
You're so smart. You're trying to help your mommy. Oh, aren't you smart?